Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. Here we go then. We are back with the results of close-up coins. A huge shout out to everyone that's played along over the last couple of days. And there will be indeed 10 more coins to guess in the upcoming video, which will be uploaded in the morning. So here we go then with the first coin of 5. The first one then was a £2 commemorative made in the year 2000, and it was indeed the 2002 Commonwealth Games England. A huge shout out if you do have this coin in your collections at home. One of 4 different Commonwealth Games £2 coins to be released in 2002, along with the Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland. Coin number 2 then, I'm sure a lot of you got this one correct, and a coin that you probably see in your change on a day-to-day basis. This is actually taken out of the centre of another £2 coin, and it is indeed the Technology £2 coin. Doesn't matter what year you put for this one, as the same design featured there in the middle. What we're going to do now is move on to maybe the most difficult of the 5 coins to guess, and it was indeed a £5 coin. This one actually I got in the year 2000, and it is the Anno Domini £5 coin. This commemorative £5 is actually one of the highest minted £5 coins ever made. We finish up then with 2 commemorative 50p coins. Coin number 4 is actually a 2019 version of the 2009 infamous Kew Gardens. A huge shout out if you managed to get this one correct, and most importantly, a huge shout out if you have ever found this coin in a coin hunt or in your change. £165 now for a used condition coin. We finish then with number 5, and maybe the most difficult of the 5 as well. I've only given you a little bit of lettering at the bottom. It was a little bit of a trick, this one. A few of you did think it was a Peter Pan coin, but it is actually from the Sherlock Holmes 50p from 2019. In the middle of this 2019 commemorative 50p coin, you see Sherlock Holmes himself there smoking his pipe. The most important question though is how many of you managed to get all 5 correct? And again, it is incredible just how many people have got all 5 right. We'll start off then, Alice Cole, we've got Coin Review, Yellow Lighthouse, Norman Graham, Smithy, Ian Strudwick, Tracy Ann, Squirreling Coins, Terence Day, and also Curtis McElroy. 5 out of 5. I am going to have to make these a little bit more difficult. Now, if you did play along and your name isn't on this list and you think you got all 5 correct, I really do apologise. Not all YouTube comments are saving at the moment. So again, apologies if you haven't saved on there. Let me know and I will give you a shout out in the next video. So there will be 10 fresh coins to guess tomorrow. How many of the 10 can you get right? Stay safe, and as always, guys, thanks for watching.